banko ba kwa perfect wedding e bohloko jwang wena. Hello
Mzansi, the funny chef Lebotlokwana reveals that the time that she was on our perfect wedding as a presenter, she could not speak IsiZulu. She went to the Popcorn and Chill podcast where she detailed how she sank into depression for 3 months after being fired from her presenting gig as our perfect wedding presenter because she could not speak IsiZulu. She said that after being fired, she had lost a lot of endorsements and sponsorship, and she stated that she was really devastated. And as we all know that, the entertainment industry it's more dominated on the Nguni language. So she is not also the first celebrity to lose out on the job because she could not speak IsiZulu. This tribalism needs to stop, and we also need to accommodate other people that speak other languages such as Sepedi, Setswana, and other languages as well, and Tlokwa. Anyway, Mzansi, till I see you again, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the latest. Bye bye.